Yes. So, managing files and folders in Windows 10, that is lesson number 3. So, in this, I have shown you one of the picture. So, these files where you have seen in office, in home, in schools, right? And even the businessmen that people use these files. Yeah, even in schools also. So, why these files are maintained? Do you know about that? Why these files are maintained? Why these files are used? Yeah, to keep documents. Are you mix up that all documents? Do you mix up that all documents? No. So what you will do for that? You will use separate files for keeping different documents in each file. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are what physical documents means, which we use in daily life. But these documents are the folders where you have seen in computer. Very good. So you have seen such folders and files in computer. So what you will do with this files and folders? Do you know about that? Yes. So today we'll study these files and folders in your lesson number 3, that is managing files and folders. Okay. So before that we will see what is this files means. File, it is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. So here file means it is collection of datas. Any datas. It may be a document, it may be a instruction, it may be a music, game, anything. Any information or data. It is stored in the form of text, pictures, music, video, any kind of. Even you sometimes draw pictures in a paint, or you can paint pictures, you can create the documents, that all will be collected in what? In files. Okay, so file is, it is a collection of data stored in the form of text, pictures, music, or any videos. For example, sometimes you might have drawn pictures in a paint application. So if you want to save that, where you will save and keep it in one of the file in a computer, right? Next, what is folder? Folder means a folder is a computer like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. For example, to understand this folder, the Good Shepherd is a folder. Okay, Good Shepherd Central School is a folder, and file is what here? Your classes. First standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard. They are separate files, separate classes. That all classes are in one school. That means all files are in one folder. It is like a cabinet, okay, where we can keep all files together. Many files we can keep it in a one folder. Understanding what I'm saying? Okay. See here, this is what the image of folder, how it's look in your computer. If you have computer in your home, just go and check it, how folders and files look. Even I'll show you that. A folder, unlike file, is a storage unit or a container. Like file, it also has name. A folder is not a file, but it can contain a files. It is just like a paper folder where you store your important paper documents such as your paid bills. Okay, so folder is one what it is not a file, it is a storage unit where you can save many files. Here in this folder, many files have been saved, not a single file is there. So that collection of all files in one unit, that is called folder. But file is a only one document. Folder is that collection of all documents or all files, that we call it as a folder. And each file has its own name. Okay, you can save that file by keeping some of names. So here some of the icons are there which you can quickly identify them. Okay, so this PC means it is having all data stored in it. So these are some of the icons. We can say the file icons. Icon of the word list is like this. Okay, recycle bin. Icon of the recycle bin is like this, right? So each file or each folder has its own icon where you can easily identify them for saving files and folders also.